project Paille canne impacts agriculture, industry and energy sectors. It started in the north of Mauritius, but its aim is to scale up to include local small planters with an investment of $4 million. The project was created to increase biomass in the mix of power plants, to decrease coal consumption and to support the conservation of canne industry, helping to maintain 3,600 jobs. The project aims to be replicable and to decrease the CO2 emissions. How can this program help to increase social benefits of climate change policies and interventions? At the policy level, the project contributes to increasing the share of renewable sources in electricity, producing up to 35% by 2025, abating GHGs emissions by 30% by the year 2030, achieving governmental objectives to reduce impact of climate change while supporting the valorization of bagasse and cane trash as a source of renewable energy. At the technical level, it helps to set up an innovative industrial process to harvest cane trash, replace amount of coal used to produce electricity, create a knowledge-sharing platform with key agricultural actors. At the community and individual level, the project creates green jobs, eliminates the risk from open burning of cane fields, enhances cooperation with local stakeholders, contributes in saving foreign currency. To develop successfully, the project has to overcome various barriers, among them insufficient material assets and a legislative framework that do not define growers' remuneration. There is also urgent need to work on a specific tariff for electricity produced with cane trash. In the local agriculture department, on the other hand, there is a reluctance to shift from traditional work practices. Results: in 2015 only, the project has helped to burn 360,000 tons of biomass, save 270,000 tons of CO2 emissions, save 115 tons of coal, produce 133 GWh of electricity power, and create 12 jobs. Lesson learned. The weather in Mauritius is difficult to predict. To cope with this situation, it is necessary to often measure the humidity of cane trash. The long distance between fields and factory location make it necessary to have more agricultural equipment to reduce transfers. The agronomic impact of cane trash collection has to be monitored by setting up experimental fields and through the collaboration with local and international research institutes. The mechanical equipment locally available have to be adapted to the cane trash collection. We can therefore conclude that Paille canne supports short-term actions with a long-term impact in order to cope with global warming. The project makes a significant contribution toward a greener future for the next generations. The goal is to make cane trash a common and sustainable richness for the whole society.